In this batch, I'm freeze drying 10 pounds of frozen vegetables, 5 pounds of peas, and 5 pounds of corn. I'm starting with 5 pounds of peas onto the 2 trays. For the medium harvest right, I can put a maximum of 2.5 pounds in each tray, for a total of 10 pounds for the 4 trays. I kind of packed the peas down because 2.5 pounds is on the edge of overloading the trays. I load the other 2 trays with the 5 pounds of corn. Now I'm loading the pre-cooled harvest right with the frozen vegetables. And the freeze drying process is complete. The pieces are so dry they will crush into powder. I don't have the Mylar bags ready, so I pour the peas and corn into Ziplocs until I can label the bags. I'm using 1 quart 7 ml bags, and I'm putting 2 cups of the vegetables into each bag. Next, I put an oxygen absorber into each of the bags. Finally, I heat seal the bags and they're ready for long-term storage. Okay, going to rehydrate a test sample of the corn. And of course you could pour the hot water directly into the bag, which would work great for rehydration. It just doesn't visually show up as well on the video. And dry corn is delicious. So it does not have to be rehydrated. It's sweet and delicious. Okay, so get that in there. As far as I know, all the vegetables will just absorb the water they need, so I don't really need to worry about measuring it. I'm just going to pour hot water enough to kind of cover this, and I'll put plastic to hold it down, or put it in a Ziploc or something. Okay, so I've got some boiling water, and I'll just pour over it. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of push it in the water. I'm gonna try putting the whole thing in a Ziploc and then suck out the extra air to push the corn down. I know part of my mistake. I measured it to 2 cups when it was freeze dried, but they shrink a little bit when they're freeze dried. I'll stir that a couple of times while it's rehydrating, and then we'll come back and check it. It'll help keep it pushed down. So I've given it at least a half hour. So I'm going to give it a little stir, and then I'm going to microwave it a little bit to heat it up some more, but it looks pretty good. No, actually, I'm going to try it now. Oh, that's pretty good. So microwave it to heat it up a little bit. That is great. Okay, so that's corn. So both the corn and the peas rehydrate just fine. But definitely start with a good quality corn and peas. The corn from Costco is definitely a better brand, or is better than this other one. And same with the peas. They do cost a bit more, so you could find a better one at a better price, do that.